Imagine plunging into the deepest ocean on Earth, where darkness is absolute and pressure can crush steel. Suddenly you hear it, a bizarre, haunting sound echoing through the cold, crushing depths. In 2016, scientists recorded a mysterious noise in the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world's oceans. This eerie call, nicknamed the Western Pacific Biotwang, lasts about 3.5 seconds and sweeps from low to high frequencies with a strange metallic tone. Despite extensive research, no one knows exactly what's producing it. Some experts speculate it could be a previously unknown species of whale, while others think it might be geological activity or something entirely new to science. What makes this mystery even more chilling is that common explanations, like ships, submarines, or known marine animals, don't match the unique sound pattern. The ocean's deepest realms remain largely unexplored, and these unexplained noises remind us just how little we truly understand about our own planet. What other secrets lie hidden in the abyss, waiting to be discovered? Follow for more space and ocean mysteries.